So if you're working out every day, big mistake. What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to be discussing 5 common mistakes people make when starting or beginning their fitness journey. So I think this is a very important subject because it all stems from why you start something. There are a bunch of common mistakes that I see people go through in their fitness journey, so I want to bring more attention to this subject. So common mistake number 1 is your why. Why you are starting this journey. Is it for the looks? Are you starting because you want a smaller stomach, a bigger butt? Are you doing this for yourself, or are you starting because you want to look good for other people? Are you doing this because everyone else is doing it? All the reasons that I just mentioned are often mistakes as to people's why they start. When you change your perception on your why and focus it more on something that's more tangible and more of a long-term why, it's something that you'll be able to create and stay more consistent on performing and doing. So like I said, if your why is to lose 5 pounds for summer, you're gonna work out, lose 5 pounds for summer, and then what? Next summer you're gonna do it again? That's a huge mistake. Why do that to yourself? If anything, that's you disrespecting yourself, because you're basically like, okay, I'm only gonna give myself health and the focus it needs just to lose 5 pounds for summer, and then I'm gonna stop. You should want to build a healthy lifestyle for your body. And another thing is like, I'm starting because I want a bigger butt. So I'm going to the gym to do legs 4 days a week so I can get a bigger butt. No, instead of that, focus it on, okay, I'm gonna do legs because I want strong, healthy legs. I'm telling you, the looks just come with it. When you focus on the right reasons, you're able to build that discipline to create these habits and change in your life. Common mistake number 2 is going too hard in the beginning. So when you're starting a fitness journey, you know, depending on how you're starting, if you're starting online with a trainer, in person at a gym, with a one-on-one trainer in a group fitness setting, if you go in it too hard, chances are you're gonna be sore for days, or if not, maybe a week after. And that can cause you to dislike fitness. Meanwhile, you're trying to build a healthy relationship with it. So if you start with something that's way too hard, your thoughts are gonna be like, oh my gosh, that was hard. Oh my gosh, I can't move the next day. Oh my gosh, like, that hurt. You don't want your mind to think that way when it comes to fitness. So that's why I say a big mistake is going too hard in the beginning. Everyone starts somewhere. Trust me when I say that. Olympians, bodybuilders, myself, you, everyone starts somewhere. And in order to get better and to get stronger, you have to start somewhere. So if that means going to the gym for a half hour a day, something of your capable abilities to do and perform in the beginning, do it. You have to start somewhere. But like I said, a big mistake is starting too hard and going every single day and not resting. Which brings me to my next common mistake, is warming up, cooling down, and rest days. Your body needs rest and recovery. Rest and recovery is just as important as fitness and working out and movement. I saw recently, I think someone posted about LeBron James that he spends like, I think millions of dollars a year on recovery. That goes to show that even high-end athletes who are amazing, they rest and recover. So if you're working out every day, big mistake. You need to rest, especially if you're just starting your fitness journey. I'm telling you, from someone who's been in the industry for over a decade, that rest is so important. Also, when I say recovery, I mean actual recovery. So massages, going to physical therapy, deep tissue massage, like there's a billion forms of recovery. There's also those like eye cryos, like cold machines, the saunas, all that is good for recovery. It can also be stretching, huge. Warming up, very important. If you do not warm up, your muscles are cold and you'll pull something. I warm up for a good amount of time before I work out. Common mistake number 4 is doing the same workout all the time. Your body gets used to it, you will hit a plateau and you will see no progress. So if you're constantly doing the same workout, whatever your regimen is, if you're kind of doing the same thing, you will hit a plateau and you won't see progress. You should switch it up, and I recommend switching it up. I myself, I do functional training, I do strength training, endurance training, I do boxing, I swim, I run. I love to switch it up. Not only is it fun, I'm growing, but I love to see how far my body can go. Okay, last common mistake is giving up too soon. So this can stem from all of the other mistakes. Practice makes perfect. Progression Rome wasn't built in a day. I've been in this for 10 plus years. I'm still going at it. Don't give up. And you're rewarding yourself by working out. Working out and fitness is not a chore. This is something that you benefit from and that you are capable of doing. There's so many people in this world that can't physically do certain things and wish they could. And then there's other people who start for the wrong reasons, who physically can do things, but have this mindset and a different perception that doesn't allow them to physically do certain things. It really all stems and comes down to your perception on fitness and health and your why. By definition, perception is your ability to become aware through your senses. Looking, seeing, hearing, smelling, all your senses is how you perceive certain things. The best way to develop a long-term sustainable relationship with fitness is your why, your reasoning behind why you're doing certain things. So really ask yourself your why. And I really hope this video resonates with you and you learn something from it, because it's never too late to shift your mindset. Even if you already started, and my why is to feel good, to move good, and for myself. So it's more sustainable and I'm able to create that love for fitness and movement. If you are still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Let me know what you guys thought about this video. If you want more sit down videos like this, I hope you guys all have an amazing day, and I will see you in my next one very soon.